Good afternoon, student. This is a continuation of the previous video in which I explained you if the question is given that three numbers are in AP and their sum and the product is given, then how to find out the three numbers. Now, in this, we are going to discuss about if the five natural numbers are in arithmetic progression. I am reading this question clearly, please listen carefully. If five natural numbers are in AP, it is also given that if the sum of these numbers is 25 and the product of these numbers is 945, then find all the five natural numbers. Now, in order to solve this question, first of all, very important step is that considering a correct number. If you consider the correct number, you can think that you will be able to solve the question without any complexity, and your question will become a very simple and you can easily get the solution. So let us consider all the five numbers. Let numbers which are in AP, let numbers be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 2D. A plus 2D. There are five numbers: A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 2D. So, five numbers are there in front of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, read the line. If sum of these number is 25. So, I will write here A plus, you can make it A minus 2D, A minus 2D plus A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D. It should be equal to 25. Why 25? Because in the question it is given that sum of five natural number which are in AP is equal to 25. Now if you carefully observe this, you will notice that there is a minus 2D which can be cancelled with the plus 2D, then minus A which is cancelled with this A. So finally what is left is 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. So I can write 5A. Therefore, 5A equal to 25. So this implies that A equal to 5. So see children, how easily we got the answer A equal to 5. But we have to move, or we have to travel more and more. We are not near our answer, but surely we are on the right track. We got A equal to 5. Now, according to the second condition, product of these numbers is given as 945. So, again I will write the same number and I will take the product of the number. A minus 2D. Observe the steps carefully. Then A minus D into A plus D into A plus D and into A plus 2D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Product of these number is given as 945. Now, here you have to apply the identity. Looking at the number, you know that I can multiply A minus 2D and A plus 2D. What I will get? I will get A square minus 4d square. This you can enclose in one bracket. You multiply these two. Similarly, you can multiply this one and this one. So you will get a square minus d square. A square minus d square. And do not forget a into a. And it should be equal to 945. Now, wherever a is there, you can substitute in place of a as 5. So 5 square, it will become 25 minus 4d square. This you put it in the bracket. Similarly here, a equal to 5, so it is 25 minus d square. Okay, now I am taking in place of a, I am taking as a 5. Okay, but this 5 I will take it there to divide 945. So I am not writing 5 here, I am writing on the other side, which is equal to 945 divided by value of this a, which is 5. So now what we will do, I will divide 945 by the 5. So when you divide 945 by 5, you are going to get 189, which is equal to 5 1 ja 5, then 4 left, 5 8 ja 40, and then 5 9 ja 45. 189 you are getting here. Now this also you multiply 25 to this whole bracket. So when you multiply, you will get 25 into 25, that is 625. Isn't it? Now 25 into minus d square. Then now take this number, minus 4 d square into 25, it is minus 25 4 ja 100 d square. Then minus into minus is a plus, and you will get plus 4 d power 4, because d square, that will become d power 4, which is equal to 189. Hope this is also clear to you. Now 4d power 4, write down here. It is 4 to the extreme left, you write down 4d power 4. But remember that I am not changing the side, I am only rearranging the term. So 4d power 4, then minus 100d square, and minus 25, this will become 125 d square. Okay, and then plus 625 minus 189, which is equal to 0. This one we are getting a quadratic equation, but here the degree is 4. So when you subtract 620 from the 625, 189, you are going to get a 436. So I will write here 4d power 4 minus 125d square plus 436, which is equal to 0. Now this is not in quadratic form, but I can convert this equation in quadratic form by making a simple substitution. And what is that substitution? I will change this d power 4 as a d square. So in this equation, if I substitute, you can write there, let d square equal to k. So then this above equation can be written as 4k square minus 125k, because it is d square, so this will remain k, plus 436, which is equal to 0. Now children, you all are aware that if there is any number here, then this number should be multiplied to this, and then whatever the product is there, we are trying to get two numbers whose product is 436 into 4, and when those numbers are added, we should get minus 125. So in order to do this one, first you should know 436 multiplied by 4. When you multiply 436 by 4, you are going to get a 1744. 1744. Look here, 6 4 ja 24, carry 2, 4 3 ja 12, 13 14, carry 1, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1, 17. Now we don't know that what are those numbers, so what you can do, you can find the factor. 2 8 ja 16, 1 left, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 2 ja 4, 872. Now 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. Again you can divide by the 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Again we can divide with the 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now 0 and 2 9 ja 18. Now what I feel, that 109 is a prime number. It cannot be divided by any other number. So I can take 109 and 109 1 ja. Now last number is a positive. So this indicates that our both the factor should be negative, or both the numbers should be negative. So if what I can do, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, and 109, and you know that 109 plus 16, it will give you 125. So required number can be minus 109 into minus 16. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. When you multiply this number, you will get 1744 because both the numbers are negative. But when you add it, when both the numbers are added, I will get minus 125. So this one is fulfilling the criteria of the number which we require. So I can split this and I can get 4k square minus 109k minus 16k plus 4 3 6 equals to 0. Okay, equals to 0. Now from first and the second term, you can take k common. So you will get in the bracket 4k minus 109. And here you can take, what you can take common? You can take 4 common. So when you take a 4 common here, you will get in the bracket 4k minus, because this is plus, so minus into minus will be plus. So I can take 4 common and I will get 109, which is equal to 0. Now bring it this one down, so you will get k minus 4, which is one factor. Second factor is 4k minus 109, which is equal to 0. Now when you equate, but remember that you have taken a k equal to d square. So now in place of k, I can resubstitute d. So I will get d square minus 4 should be equal to 0, or 4 d square. Hope you all are understanding, because k equal to d square. So 4d square minus 109 equal to 0. Therefore d square should be equal to 4. Therefore d equal to plus minus 2. Similarly, when you solve for this, you will get 4d square, which is equal to 109. Therefore d square equal to 109 upon 4. It means D equal to plus minus under root of 109 upon 2. Now both the number, it looks that both the numbers are possible because D can be any number out of this one, but remember that you got A equal to 5. So suppose you take a first number as A equal to 5 and you try to add this one because your one of the number is A plus D. So if I add A plus D, what will happen? 5 plus, if I proceed with this 109, root 109 plus 2, then the sum of 5 and this will give us a irrational number. And you know that in the beginning only it is given that if 5 numbers, 5 natural number which are in AP, so I will reject this one. I cannot proceed solving the sum with this one, but definitely I can go ahead with D equal to plus minus 2. Hope you understood the explanation. I am not rejecting here. I am rejecting that when D equal to under root of 109 by 2 is added to 5, then the number which we will get will be an irrational number. Moreover, we want to find out natural number. So that is why I am rejecting this one. So this one is rejected because of this reason. It is rejected. But when you are rejecting it, you should always give the reason that why you are rejecting it. Now I will proceed with if D equal to, if D is 2 and A equal to 5, then which are the 5 number? Your numbers, first number is a minus 2D, which implies that A is a 5 minus 2 into your D is 2. So it is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 which is equal to 1. Similarly, your second number is A minus D, which implies that 5 minus 2. So it is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. And A which is equal to 5. So I can write 5. And then A, now I am writing this number there. Let me not write. So we got 1, 3, 5. 3 numbers we got. Now fourth number, your fourth number is A plus D. So you all know that A plus D, which is equal to 5 plus 2, which is 7. And your fourth number is A plus 2D, which is equal to 5 plus 2 into 2, that is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. So we are getting a number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Similarly, this is one case. Now if I take D equal to minus 2 and A equal to 5, because we have only one option for 5, that is A. So our first number, which you all know, your first number is A minus 2D, which means it is 5 minus 2 bracket minus 2. So this will give you 5 plus 4, which is 9. Second number is A minus D. This implies that 5 minus 2, which is equal to 7. Similarly, third number, which implies that A, and you know that A is a 5. So your first number was 9, then 7, then 5. Now fourth number is A plus D. So this will be equal to 5 plus then minus 2. It means it is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. And fifth number, which is a plus 2d, which implies that 5 plus 2 into minus 2, which means it is 5 minus 4, which means it is 1. So answer you can write here. Your answer of the pi number is, it may be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, pi number, or it can be 9, 7, 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. So either the number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. If you check this condition, if you add the number, you will get 9 plus 1, 10, 17, 20, 25. And when you multiply it, you will get 945. Similarly, second number. Only the order is different. They are written in the different order, but the numbers are same. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Hope you understood this concept of getting a 5 numbers, or earlier I explained you how to get the 3 number. But for this, in the beginning, as I told you, you must proceed with the correct number which are in AP. For the 3 number, you will always proceed with the a minus d, comma, a, comma, a plus d. But for the pi number, you will proceed with the number like a minus 2d, comma, a minus d, then a, then next number a plus d, and then last number which is a plus 2d. So this type of there is a scope in the paper also that you may get this type of a question. So I am telling you that please practice for such question. You take a number, solve it, and then you make your own question and also try to solve those questions. Thank you, children.